Hello everyone, I am Guduru R. Srinivas Rao, consultant gastroenterologist working in Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad. Today is World IBD Day. What is this IBD? IBD full form is Inflammatory Bowel Disease. This inflammatory bowel disease comprises of two diseases. One is ulcerative colitis, second thing is Crohn's disease. This disease can affect anywhere from mouth to anus. As the name says, there is inflammation or ulcerations involving our gastrointestinal tract, that is small or large intestine. So this disease was quite common in the West in the past, but now also. But here in India, we are seeing more and more number of cases of IBD. So what could be the reason? There are several hypotheses. One is more and more use of intake of westernized diet, especially the junk foods like pizzas, burgers and all, which uses a lot of preservatives. These over a period of time damage the intestinal wall. Second thing is excessive use of antibiotics, which may be unnecessarily, especially in children. These can cause damage to our intestinal cells. Third thing is, which is called as hygiene hypothesis. We are tending to live in more and more protective environment, like taking of too hygienic water, too hygienic food. That is also not very good because our immune system gets dampened by use of extreme hygienic foods. So how does this IBD present? Inflammatory bowel disease, anybody who has IBD, they have pain in the abdomen, they have diarrhea, they can have blood in stools, or slowly they can lose weight. So anybody who has these symptoms should quickly consult a gastroenterologist, wherein they will do some tests and identify if they have this disease and start treating. Identification of this disease early is very important because if we delay, they can have complications. And these complications can be sometimes very serious, like development of holes in the intestine and more infection in the intestine and weight loss and all this. So it's better to diagnose the disease early so that they can be treated and prevented from complications. So in this World IBD Day, let us resolve to increase awareness of this disease among general public so that we can detect the disease early and start treatment. All of us can be healthy. Thank you.